Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. So today I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy to make money online, and this is going to be really interesting. Watch this video till the end so you can understand all the stuff which I'm going to tell you and explain you in this video. So let's dive into the content without wasting any of your time. So now let's go. And the first thing you need to do is go to this website which is known as warriorplus.com. Okay, so the first thing is that you need to sign up as an affiliate for Warrior Plus. Okay, don't worry, you are gonna get approved in just 5 to 10 minutes once you sign up with this website, and it doesn't have any hassle in approving you. Okay, so don't worry, just go to the website, sign up for it, and just you are ready to go and promote the affiliate products. Okay, now just go over there, click over here on the affiliate dashboard and search for the product which is YT Supremacy. Okay, so for this example I am utilizing this product YT Supremacy. Why I am using this product? Because this is a really awesome product, and this product is really good. It teaches you how to do an affiliate marketing business in a very short period of time, utilizing YouTube, how to grow a YouTube channel and start an affiliate marketing business with that YouTube channel is all that, and all those things are discovered in this course with very detailed manner, in a very detailed manner. Just let me show you what are the contents of this course. Okay, so here YT Supremacy, this is the course, and it's really something which provides a lot of value, and it just costs $17. Okay, so don't worry, it's really a cheap product. If you want to buy it, then you can buy it, but if you don't have money, and then the first thing is that you have to promote this product, and after that you can buy this product. Let me show you what's there in the product. We are going to promote this product. I'm going to show you the entire strategy. Okay, so this is how build authority and rank your YouTube channels promoting affiliate offers. All this content is provided to you in just $1717. That's really cheap. Okay, so you are gonna get all this stuff absolutely in a very cheap price. So if you are interested in buying this course, then you can buy this course. But if you don't have money and you don't want to buy this course, then let's go and we will be promoting this product. Okay, so just go to Warrior Plus, and just then once you go to marketplace of Warrior Plus, you will find this product YT Supremacy, and just this type of request button would appear over here. Okay, all you need to do is just file a request and just type in, yes, I would like to promote your product, and I will be utilizing free traffic for promoting your product. Okay, that's something what you have to write in the request, and after some time they will approve you and provide you with the affiliate link of that product. Okay, and then you can start promoting that product. Okay, so we have already got approval for this product, so we will be clicking over here, and now I'm just gonna click on this product. Okay, Control C, and we got the affiliate link. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to promote this product in a really unique strategy. Okay, now first you need to go to this website which is known as ezinearticles.com. Okay, Ezine Articles is a website from where you can find a lots and lots of articles which are copyright free. That means you can just copy this articles. Okay, so don't worry about anything. Just go over this website and find an article related to YouTube, as we are going to promote this product which is YT Supremacy, and it is related to YouTube. So we want to find an article which is related to YouTube. So I have already found this article on this. All you need to do is go to this website ezinearticles.com and search for a particular topic, and you will find the product which is related to an article which is related to the topic. Okay, now once you have found the article, just copy the article, go to Google Sheets and paste the article. Okay, so I have copied the article and pasted it over here. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to do some editing in this article. Okay, and just provide your affiliate link. Okay, so here you can see I have provided my affiliate link, but the thing which I forgot to do was to shorten this affiliate link. So use a bit.ly or tiny URL, such URL shorteners, so that you can shorten your affiliate link. Okay, now so if someone is interested in making growing a YouTube channel, he will read over these articles, and there is a very much chance that he is going to click on this link and going to check out the product because he wants to grow a YouTube channel. Okay, now once we have got this, all you need to do is go to this file option over here and just click on download and download this as a PDF. Okay, so I have already downloaded this as a PDF, which is over here. So the first step is complete. We have got our products, we have got the article to promote our product, we have embedded our affiliate link in that article. Okay, so all the stuff is done. Almost we have completed half of the things. Now the thing which we are going to do is really easy and really simple. Okay, now you need to go to this website which is known as slideshare.com. Okay, just go to slideshare.com and you can, now you just have to click on this upload button and upload this PDF file which you have downloaded. Now I have already uploaded this file on this website which is known as slideshare.com. Okay, the another thing which you have to do is that you have to paste the title of your article over here. Okay, so I have created a title, how to make a YouTube video and drive traffic to it. Okay, so this is the original title of this article. Okay, and I have just copied and pasted it. Now you have to write a description of that article. Now just take something in mind that your article's description must contain all the keywords which are important, so that the algorithm of SlideShare can recommend your articles to targeted people. So that's really important. So your tags must be there in your title as well as in the description, as well as you can add here multiple tags. Okay, and you just have to click on the category, which is, you can select all these categories are available here. You can select marketing category, or you can also select social media category. Okay, so these two are the categories. In this categories this product will be listed. Okay, now just click on the privacy to public. Okay, now you can add all the tags related to the product. So this is a product which is related to YouTube, so I have added 3 tags, which is YouTube, how to make my YouTube video, how to grow a YouTube channel, and you just have to pick up 5 to 10 tags. Okay, just don't go and sit for 3 to 4 tags. You just have to the more the tags, the better your the better discoverability. So just add 5 to 10 tags so that you more people can discover your content on this website. But the thing which I forgot to tell you is that when you are going to edit this article, just place a copyright free images in this article so that your article looks much attractive and people get more and more interested in your articles. Just go to pixabay.com, download some images and put those images in this article to make it more attractive, okay, for the readers. Okay, so that's something which I forgot, and that's the reason why I am not going to publish this article, because I forgot to do that. But that's something which you have to do. Okay, and then once your article is ready, just put in 1 to 2 images so that it looks nice and good. Okay, so the thing is ready, your article is ready, created, just download it and then upload it to slideshare.com. Just create a simple account. Okay, you can sign in with your LinkedIn ID. Okay, and that's it. Add the title, tags, description and all this stuff. Okay, and just see out your discoverability score, and just keep in mind that this must be almost full. Okay, and then you just have to hit the publish button. I'm not gonna publish this because I'm gonna add some images in this article, because I just forgot to do that, and I'm gonna do this because it's really important and it makes the article look good. Now you can promote multiple products utilizing this method. Okay, you can promote clickbank products, you can promote health and fitness products, you can promote the products which are related to law of attraction, you can promote pets product. All the categories can be promoted utilizing this strategy. You can promote clickbank, JV Zoo, Warrior Plus, as well as any of the product whichever you like, you can promote utilizing this strategy. But the secret about this strategy, the important thing about this strategy is that you need to publish 5 to 10 articles every single day on this website slideshare.com, And once you consistently start doing it, in 2 to 3 months you will in 1 month you can see that you are getting some of the results, you are getting sales, money is automatically coming to your bank account or your PayPal account. Okay, so that's what will happen. Okay, a snowball effect is will happen, but the main thing about this is that you have to maintain the consistency. Okay, you have to maintain consistency, you have to upload at least 1 or 2 articles every single day. But if you are going to take big action, then I just recommend that you should upload 5 articles per day or 10 articles per day and just make money as soon as possible. And this is an entirely free strategy. Don't worry, SlideShare gets 10 to 20 million people visiting its sites every single month, so you are gonna get a big chunk of traffic just by utilizing this strategy. All you need to do is take action, and you can write down in the comment box how many people are interested in this strategy and going to take action on this strategy, because I can show you infinite number of make money online strategies which you can use. But the most important thing is that don't just keep on watching these videos and getting entertained. These videos are not for entertainment purposes. These videos are for making you some money. Okay, just get serious. Just don't be a couch potato. Just take some action. Take out your computer, promote your links, get your links out, and you can see a lot of sales will come to you, and you will be making money from the comfort zone, from the comfort of your home, utilizing your smartphone or your laptop, whichever you are using. Okay, so this is really interesting. So now, if you are interested in more make money online videos, affiliate marketing videos, online business, then you can check out other videos on my channel. They will provide you a lot of value about all this stuff and a lot of details. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.